In this video, we introduce you to a pipe bending machine that is capable of bending the bodyguard of an Activa two-wheeler. This machine is designed to provide a quick and efficient solution for bending pipes with precision and accuracy, making it ideal for both professional and DIY applications. The video demonstrates the step-by-step process of using the machine to bend the bodyguard of an Activa two-wheeler. We showcase the different parts and components of the machine and explain how to set it up for use. You'll also get to see the machine in action as we demonstrate how it bends the pipes to the desired shape. We provide helpful tips and tricks throughout the video to ensure that you get the best results from your pipe bending machine. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this video will give you the knowledge you need to use a pipe bending machine to bend the bodyguard of an Activa two-wheeler. So, if you're interested in learning about pipe bending machines and want to see how they can be used to bend the bodyguard of an Activa two-wheeler, then this video is definitely for you. Watch it now and discover the amazing capabilities of this versatile machine.